Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been requesting me to do a blush collection video and finally guys, I gave it. This is gonna be my top 10 blush recommendations for Morena's Summer Edition. Since this blush collection is summer yung theme, expect kayo guys na medyo on the fresh, vibrant side tayo of the shade spectrum. So I know you guys are excited na, so let's get down to the first product. First product that we have here is from Maybelline and this is their Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush. It's actually my first time wearing it and napaka-sheer niya nga. I would recommend it for people na hindi masyadong nagbe-base makeup just because I feel like ina-absorb ng base makeup yung pigment kaya hindi talaga masyadong lumilitaw yung product na to in one application. So you have to kind of build up this product on top of your base makeup. And what's also good about having a sheer blush, hindi ka mabibigla kapag naparami ka mag-apply sa cheeks mo. Napaka-beginner friendly nito and the shade is super bet for summer. Next blush product that I have with me is from Vice Cosmetics and this is in collaboration with BT21. And to be honest, this is actually also my first time trying out this one, but I also love this. It actually kind of reminds me, yung formula niya reminds me of the Cheek Heat ng Maybelline. But eto naman, yung shade niya or yung shade na pinili ko from the BT21 na Cheeky Blush is yung shade na Perfect Peach. Medyo pastel peach siya. And I think this would best suit mga mestizas. It can also work sa mga deeper skin tone like me and mga deeper morenas. Pero I think magiging mas appealing siya for mga mestizas. No wonder yung shade na to, yung pinakamaraming sales sa Cheeky Blush collection nila. Third blush that I have for you is from Scout Beauty and this is their Blush Bomb in the shade Sunset. Now, this shade is kind of like a spicy red. So if you want to spice up your summer, then this is perfect for you. This will absolutely suit mga deep morenas and those who like mga kind of like powerful blushes. I would describe this as a powerful blush. It's kind of a bit strong in its color. And also, by the way, upon application ng blush na to, it kind of can get a little bit heavy because yung pigment niya matapang and also its coverage. So I highly suggest na dito nyo muna i-apply yung blush at the back of your hand. Don't apply it directly. And then mag-test application muna kayo dito before applying it on your cheeks. And make sure you build up. When it comes to blushes na medyo matapang yung coverage, always keep in mind that you want to build up slowly but surely because ayaw nyo na matapang agad at mag-e-erase kayo. It will make your makeup muddy and medyo time-consuming siya. The fourth blush that I have with me is from the kind of Glossier makeup brand here in the Philippines, I would say. Kind of. I love their aesthetic and I love their products and I actually did a review of their products already. If you want to check them out, it will be linked in the description box below or in the iCard above. But anyway, if I remember correctly, isa ito sa pinaka-best-selling nila na blush products. And no wonder because napakaganda ng blush na to. I really love this and for sure, Morena girls will love this. So, eto yung, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is from Cloud Cosmetics. I don't know how to pronounce the shade name. Peachy Fluff? Peche Fluff? Pesh Fluff? Please, to my French friends out there, don't come at me. But for now, I'm just gonna refer to it as peach. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it in French, but yeah, for now on, let's call it Peach Fluff, okay? So, yung shade na to is not peachy like sa Vice Cosmetics. It's not like the traditional peach that you would expect because it's kind of deep. But actually, kapag na-blend out na siya sa cheeks, doon mo makikita yung peachy glow na magi-give off niya. And it's really nice if deep morena ka or magkasing kulay tayo and naghahanap ka ng magandang peachy shade pero you feel like this is too pastel and too light for you, then absolutely go for this shade. And aside from its shade, meron siyang very, very fine gold specks in it that will reflect light, which is really nice because it gives this added glow to the look. Next blush that I have is actually a multi-use product, and this is from Skin Potions from their Glam Pocket collection, and this is in the shade The Bomb. So by the way, what's nice about the Glam Pocket is not only you'll be getting a multi-use blush, but at the same time, you'll be getting a highlighter. A highlighter which I actually use mostly for my body, for my collarbones, and it gives off this really, really nice body glow. And I use this sa isa kong tutorial, guys, and if you want to see how I applied it on my body, then you can click the iCard here. This will give off a pinky rosy red kind of blush. What's nice about this formula is hindi siya gaano ka-greasy, nor hindi din siya gaano ka-dry upon application. Before we proceed to the next 5 blushes, if you like this video, then please do give this video a thumbs up. And of course, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Turn on you for all para notified kayo whenever I upload a new video. And if you're interested to get any of the products mentioned in this video, the links to those products will be in the description box below. A little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. And that commission will really help sustain and grow this channel. So if you like the content that I put out here, then that is one way to support the growth of this channel. Next blush collection na to is from Careline, and this is their multi-pot. And this is also a multi-use product. And this is in the shade Abracadabra. And sa tatlong shades nila, ito yung medyo may pagka-striking pink kind of shade. So I know not a lot of people would want to sport this kind of blush, but hey guys, it's summer. It's time to be fun and fresh and vibrant and to switch up the look that we normally do. This formula, I would recommend it for people with dry skin, not as much to people with oily skin. If ito yung spectrum ng dry to balance to greasy, medyo nandito siya. But this shade is good and it will bring out this girly, fresh vibe out of you. Tinitingnan ko yung selfie ko kasi, guys. I always have selfie notes when I do swatches. Nakaka-Barbie. Lakas maka-Barbie, lakas maka-fresh. Oh my gosh, we have another peachy shade, and this is from one of my favorite brands, and this is from Issey & Co. This is their creme blush in the shade Tutu, and this is actually my first time swatching the shade, and I really, really like it. Another shade that I like from their new shades is yung shade na brunette, but since is medyo deep siya, medyo nude siya, hindi ko na siya in-include for this collection, but it's also really, really good. Yung shade na Tutu ay peachy siya, pero may pagka-coral siya in it. Yung formula nila for the creme blush is something that I would recommend to both people with dry skin and oily skin because Issey & Co. made sure na hindi masyadong madaming oil-based ingredients inside this creme blush para when you use it and when you're wearing it throughout the day, hindi siya mag-grease up. Kasi yung cheeks natin, yung mas nagpo-produce ng oil throughout the day. Next blush that I have is nag-collab na sila before and nag-collab sila ulit. Nagulat ako kasi parang sunod-sunod yung collaboration nila. For the Velvet Flush, the shade that I have with me is yung Milky. And ito, medyo may pagka-spicy red din siya, kagaya ng sa Blush Bomb na shade na Sunset. Pero if you're looking for another kind of formula, more on the velvet moussey naman, and perfect naman for people with oily skin, then this is for you. Second to the last blush that I have with me is from Happy Skin. Ito yung sa Generation Happy Skin nila in collaboration with Catherine Bernardo. This is in the shade, Pinched. Dalawa yung shade na nandito sa akin. Yung shade na Pinched and Toasted. Yung Toasted medyo may pagka-deep, cool, rosy pink yon, and ito naman more on the bright pink naman. This kind of pink brightens up the face. Parang commercial model ng skincare product. Alam niyo yun, parang yung sa Pond's parang glowy and bright na skin. Parang ganun yung ginigive off niya na vibe. Last but not the least, yung blush na to ay napaka-affordable because when you purchase this, not only you'll be getting a blush, but you'll also be getting a brush at the same time. The blush that I'm talking about is from Dream Face, formerly known as Unicorn Dream kasi nag-rebrand sila guys. And this is their Dream Blush in the shade Cream Puff. Now, this product is also multi-use, pero specifically for this shade, hindi ko siya ma-recommend na gamitan nyo on your lips kasi lakas maka-wash out. Kahit mestiza ka, hindi ko talaga ma-recommend na isuot mo to on your lips. So that's it you guys for this summer collection of blushes. Again, nag-explore tayo on more of a bright, kind of like fresh blushes. Let me know in the comment section below if you are also game to explore, you know, mas vibrant na shades this summer. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.